Hi guys, I am Nikita Kakkad and today I'll show you how to make cheesy nacho corn chaat at home. For this we will need these ingredients: nacho chips, sweet corn, corn flour, mayonnaise, grated cheese, butter, black olives, chopped onion soaked in water for 15 minutes, tomato, garlic cloves, jalapenos or green chilies, milk and oil. To make the red sauce, we will take tomatoes in the blender jar, add garlic cloves and jalapenos. You can also use green chilies instead of jalapenos. I'm adding it to make the sauce a little spicy. And now blend it to smooth. So this is now ready. It should look like a smooth thick paste. Now take the oil in a pan. Add tomato paste to it. Now keep frying it till all the water gets absorbed. Before the water gets absorbed, I am adding some salt to taste and black pepper powder and tomato ketchup. So now mix it well again. So you can see the water is absorbed now, and now I'll add some mayonnaise to give it a cheesy texture. Mix it well again. You can now put the flame to off and keep mixing it. So this is now mixed well, and I'll keep it aside for now. And now we'll make the white cheese sauce. To make the white sauce, take the butter in the pan, put the flame to low and add 1 tablespoon corn flour to it. Now mix it well. Keep mixing it till you can smell a nice fragrance. So now I can smell a nice fragrance, and now I'll add some milk to it. You'll have to keep mixing side by side so that no lumps are formed. So this is now smooth, and I'll add some more milk. Keep mixing it and wait for it to boil. So this is now done. You can put off the flame now and add some salt to taste and black pepper powder. Now mix it, and our white sauce is now ready. Now our sauces are all ready, and we'll take the nacho chips in a plate, spread them well and add sweet corn over it. Now add some onion, black olives, now we'll put both the sauces over it. So this is the red sauce that we have prepared. Spread it evenly over the nachos. And now we'll add white sauce over it. Spread it evenly over nacho chips. And now I'll garnish them with the grated cheese. You can skip this if you want. And our cheesy nacho corn chaat is now ready. Guys, please try this at home. This is very easy to make and very cheesy and delicious in taste. And I'm sure you guys gonna love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates.